After fillet, next command is chamfer command. For chamfer command, I create some rectangles. These rectangles are created by line command, and these rectangles are created by polyline command. For selecting chamfer, go to fillet option. From here, drop down the menu. Here is the option chamfer. Select it, or you can also type here shortcut for chamfer CHA. Type CHA command prompt, press enter. Here are two types of chamfer. First is distance and second one is angle. In fillet we reduce radius and round the corner, but in chamfer we apply distance or we apply angle for taper the corners. First of all I select distance, select here distance or type here D, press enter. Now specify first chamfer distance, type here first distance, I type here 10 mm, press enter. Second chamfer distance, I select 15 mm, press enter. From here you can select trim or no trim. I select trim. Now select the edges. I select this edge, first line, second line. For repeat the command, press space button. Now select distance, first distance. I select 5 mm this time, press enter. Second distance 15 mm, press enter. Now I select multiple times and select trim, no trim. First line, second line, first line, second line. Similarly here first line, second line, first line, second line. We apply chamfer without trimming the corner. Now again select distance. I select distance. Now apply chamfer here. I select trim and this time I select trim option. First line, second line, first line, second line. Similarly here. Now I select this line for first line, second line, first line, second line. The second type of chamfer is angle chamfer. Select angle. For angle, specify the chamfer length of first line. I enter here first line length 15 mm, press enter. Specify chamfer angle. You can put the value of angle at here. I type here 15 degree, press enter. I select this line first line, this line second line. This angle is 15 degree. Again I select angle first line. I type here distance about first line 5 mm, press enter. Specify chamfer angle. I type here 60 degree, press enter. Now select this line first line, this line second line. From here to here this angle is 60 degree. Now we apply same chamfer on polyline rectangles. First of all I select distance, first distance 10 mm, press enter. Second distance 15 mm, press enter. Now here select polyline. Now select the rectangle. I select this rectangle. It will apply first line this line, second line this line. It will follow this path. First line, second line, first line, second line. For this chamfer, this is first line, this is second line. Again I select distance. Now I select distance 10 mm, press enter. Second chamfer distance also 10 mm, press enter. Now I select trim, no trim, polyline and apply on here. It will apply 10 mm chamfer every corner without trimming these corners. Now I select angle, first chamfer length, I type here 15 mm, press enter. Chamfer angle, I type here 30 degree, press enter. I select polyline, select it. This is first line, 15 mm from here to here, and this angle is 30 degree. From here to here, this is 15 mm, and this angle is 30 degree. From here to here, this is 15 mm, and this angle is 30 degree. Similarly here. Now we apply angle. This time I select first distance 20 mm, press enter, specify angle. I type here 5 degree, press enter. Now select polyline. I select this polyline and apply it on here. From here to here this is 20 and this is 5 degree angle. Similarly here. Again I select chamfer command. From here select angle. First chamfer length I type 10 mm, press enter. Specify chamfer angle. I type here 60 degree, press enter. Trim option, trim or no trim. I select trim, select polyline and select this rectangle. From here to here this is 20 mm at 60 degree. Similarly from here to here 20 mm and create angle of 60 degree. Similarly here for this chamfer this is first line. From here to here this is 20 mm and this is 60 degree angle. For this chamfer this is first line. From here to here this is 20 mm and create angle of 60 degree. This was the chamfer command.